नमस्कार, मैं सुहास पटेल आप सभी विद्यार्थियों का स्वागत करता हूँ। स्टैंडर्ड 9 इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टूडेंट सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स चैप्टर 8 कोऑर्डिनेटर। नाउ वी सो फर्स्ट theorem 8.6. The diagonals of parallelograms bisect each other. This is the statement is given. This is the symbol of the parallelograms ABCD. This is the symbol of the parallelograms. Diagonals, this AC and BD, both are diagonal, intersect at the each of O point. Now to prove OA is equal to OC, यानी ये दोनों इक्वल है, OB is equal to OD, तो these two are equal. Now prove in triangle OAD here. OAD, this triangle. Okay. And OCB. This triangle, these two triangle. Okay. OAD यानी ये एंगल, OCB this angle, it means this Z, because these two are parallel and this is the bisector, so Z बनेगा, so this alternate angle are equal. Now here ODA, this angle, OBC, this angle, this also Z, so this also alternate angle, so both are equal. Okay, and also AD, this AD is equal to CB, because parallelogram opposite sides are same. Right? This is in given theorem 8.2. So here angle side angle, we can say that both are equal. So triangle OAD congruent OCB, these two triangles are equal because angle side angle, and also these two are same, so we can say OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Finish this. Okay. Now only for these two, 8.1 and 8.6 is the theorem with the proof. Now we start 8.2. In the parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Here suppose we take on parallelograms ABCD, this is the parallelograms. Also we want to prove that opposite sides, it means here AB opposite CD and AD opposite BC, both are equal, we want to find. Okay, this is the 8.2, because after the 70% syllabus 8.2 and all are only for understanding. Okay, this is parallelograms, opposite sides are equal, this is 8.2. Now 8.3, in each pair of the opposite sides of quadrilateral is equal, then its parallelograms. It means here wrong side. Here opposite side, it means AB parallel CD, both are equal, and BC and AD are equal. So this is the parallelogram. It means parallelogram ABCD. Okay, this is the theorem 8.3. Now 8.4, in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Okay, so this here in this parallelogram, this is 8.4. This is parallelogram ABCD, opposite angle, angle A is equal to angle C, angle D is equal to angle B, opposite angles are equal. Okay, now 8.5, In a coordinator, each pair of the opposite angles are equal, then it is a parallelograms. It means here wrong side. Okay, 8.4 का wrong side है. So here opposite angle A equal angle C. इसमें angle A is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle D. So this is the parallelogram in 8.5. 8.6 is the proof here. Okay, now 8.7. Here, if the diagonals of the quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is the parallelograms. Okay, here AC diagonals and BD diagonal intersect at each other at O point. So this is the parallelograms. Okay, this is the theorem 8.7. Okay, now 8.8. 8.8, here a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if a pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, here this is the parallelograms, opposite side AD equal to BD and parallel, AD parallel to BC. Same to same, AB is equal to CD and AB is parallel to CD. So this is the parallelogram, so we can say that these opposite sides are equal and parallel. The 8.8. Now 8.9. After this 8.9. Here the line segment joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third sides. Moreover, it is the half of the third side. Okay. Here, in the triangle ABCD, here E and F is the midpoint. Okay. This is the theorem 8.9. Okay. E is the midpoint of AB and F is the midpoint of AC. So what happened? Here we want to prove that here EF parallel to BC, these two are parallel. Second, EF is equal to half of BC. यानी इससे आधा है. This is proof. Okay, in theorem 8.9. Now 8.10, last theorem for understanding. The line drawn through the midpoint of one side of the triangle parallel to another side bisected the third side. Okay. Here, in the triangle here, in this triangle, E is the midpoint, F is the midpoint of AC. Suppose we draw here L line. Okay, so L line passes through AB at the E point, AC as the F point, and we want to prove AF is equal to CF. It means this AF and CF are same. Because F is the midpoint, we want to prove. Theorem 8.10. Okay? So this understanding all the theorems only for statement. Or other 8.1 and 8.6 we understanding by the proof given to prove, figure and proof. Okay? This type, this chapter 8 quadrilateral finished for your 70% syllabus. Okay? Now, happy Diwali, because after this video, Diwali vacation. Okay, the happy Diwali and all of you good health and good wealth. I pray to God. Okay, Namaskar by Suhas Patel. Now we taken some extra example for understanding. Suppose this type asking, so what you are doing? We show in suppose we take here now we do extra sum. This is not given, but this type is asking. So what are you doing? Extra sum. First, here in a quadrilateral, this is the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 150. Find angle C plus angle D. Find out. Okay, how to find? This extra sum is given here. So what are you doing? So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360. We know this. A plus B value 150. C plus D is equal to 360. Going this side, C plus D is equal to 360 minus 150. So minus 0, 1, 2, 210. This is the answer. Okay. Now here give another example. In the parallelograms here, second, this is the parallelograms ABCD. Three angle A is equal to 2 angle B. Find the D. Okay, this given. So suppose this X. So what happened? Suppose here. So angle A is equal to 3 going this side, so X by 3. Same to same, 2 going this side, so X by 2. Okay. Now we know that A plus B is equal to 180. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. Okay. So 3 angle A is equal to X. So 3 down जाएगा तो X by 3 हो जाएगा. 2 angle B is equal to X. 2 इस तरफ जाएगा, angle B is equal to X by 2. Angle A plus B is equal to 180. So X by 3 plus X by 2 is equal to 180. 2 3 जा 6, LCM, cross multiply, 2x, 3x is equal to 180. 2 plus 3, 5x by 6 is equal to 180. Now this whole term going this side, so reciprocal into 6 by 5. Okay, cutting here, 5 3s are 15. Okay, so 3 remain, 5 6 is 30. X is equal to 6 6 is 36. 3 carry, 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 216. So here angle B and angle D are same. So D is angle B. Angle B is equal to angle D. So B value x by 2. So 216 by 2. So 108. Okay, this type asking also. So I doing the extra sum. Okay. So this type also practice also. If you asking, very easy. Okay. इस तरीके से आप ये कर सकते हो. ओके, तो ये प्रैक्टिस भी आपको करना है. मैंने एक्स्ट्रा सम भी आपको करा दिया है क्योंकि a प्लस बी दिया था 150 और आपको c प्लस डी फाइंड करना बताया. इसमें 3 एंगल a इज इक्वल टू 2 एंगल b दिया था और d फाइंड करना था, वो भी मैंने आपको बता दिया है. और इस तरीके से आप ये कर सकते हो. नमस्कार, बाय सुहास पटेल. ओके, ये आपको करना है. अब ये चैप्टर आपका फिनिश हो गया है ना, चैप्टर 8 क्वाड्रिलेटर. ओके, थ्योरम एक्स्ट्रा सम के साथ और सिलेबस जैसा दिया है गुजरात सरकार ने, इस तरीके से ये खत्म हो गया. नमस्कार.